Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to help you understand how to read the color codes on resistors. If you're into electronics, knowing how to quickly identify resistor values is essential. Let's dive into it. Overview of resistor color codes. Resistors come with color-coded bands that indicate their resistance value. The number of bands can vary, but today we'll focus on 4-band and 5-band resistors. Each color represents a number, and there's a specific order to read the bands. Color codes for resistors. Let's start with the color codes. Here's a list of colors and their corresponding numbers. Black 0, brown 1, red 2, orange 3, yellow 4, green 5, blue 6, violet 7, gray 8, white 9. In addition to these numbers, there are also colors for multipliers and tolerance. Here is the list of colors and their corresponding multipliers in the context of resistor color codes. Black multiplied by 1, brown multiplied by 10, red multiplied by 100, orange multiplied by 1000, yellow multiplied by 10,000, green multiplied by 100,000, blue multiplied by 1 million, violet multiplied by 10 million, gold multiplied by 0.1, silver multiplied by 0.01. Here is the tolerance. Brown plus minus 1%, red plus minus 2%, green plus minus 0.5%, blue plus minus 0.2%, violet plus minus 0.1%, gray plus minus 0.05%, silver plus minus 10%, gold plus minus 5%. Here is the table for 4-band resistor. Now that you know the color codes, let's talk about how to read them. Reading a 4-band resistor. 4-band resistors are the most common. Here's how you read them. Identify the bands. The first 2 bands represent the significant digits, the 3rd band is the multiplier, and the 4th band is the tolerance. Examples. Consider a resistor with bands brown, black, black, and gold. The first band brown is 1. The second band black is 0. The third band black indicates a multiplier of 1. The 4th band gold means a tolerance of 5. Thus, the resistance is 10 times 1 equals 10 ohms with a plus minus 5% tolerance. Consider a resistor with bands green, blue, red, and gold. The first band green is 5. The second band blue is 6. The third band red indicates a multiplier of times 100. The 4th band gold indicates a tolerance of 5. Thus, the resistance is 56 times 100 equals 5,600 ohms or 5.6 kilo ohms with a plus minus 5% tolerance. Here is the table for 5-band resistor. Reading a 5-band resistor. 5-band resistors offer more precision. Here's how to read them. Identify the bands. The first 3 bands represent the significant digits, the 4th band is the multiplier, and the 5th band is the tolerance. Consider a resistor with bands brown, black, 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 and gold. The first band brown is 1. The second band black is 0. The third band black is 0. The 4th band black indicates a multiplier of times 1. The 5th band gold indicates a tolerance of 5. Thus, the resistance is 100 times 1 equals to 100 ohms with a plus minus 5% tolerance. Consider a resistor with bands red, violet, black, red, and silver. The first band red is 2. The second band violet is 7. The third band black is 0. The 4th band red indicates a multiplier of times 100. The 5th band silver indicates a tolerance of 10. Thus, the resistance is 270 times 100 equals 227,000 ohms or 27 kilo ohms with a plus minus 10% tolerance. Common mistakes and tips. When reading resistor color codes, here are some tips to avoid mistakes. Orientation. Always read from left to right. If you're unsure, look for the band with a wider gap. That's usually the tolerance band and should be on the right. Lighting. Make sure you have good lighting to distinguish colors accurately. Color vision. If you're colorblind, use a multimeter to verify resistor values. Resistor drawings are for presentation only. Refer to actual resistor for correct bands placement. And that's how you read the resistor color codes for 4-band and 5-band resistors. I hope this tutorial helps you understand resistor values in your electronics projects. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more electronics tutorials. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like me to cover, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.